Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about something very simple but very important in Python, literals. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever written something like x is equals to 10 or name is equal to Python in your code? Well and good. The values 10 and Python, those are called literals. Let's understand them step by step. Before going to this, first we need to understand what are literals. All right. A literals are simply a means a fixed value that we directly write in our program. It's a fixed value that we directly write in our program. For example, like x equal to 100, y is equal to 200, like z equal to hello something. Here 10 is here 100 is an integer literals and 200 is an integer literals and hello is a string literals. So remember this, whenever you see a hard coded constant value in your code, that's a literal. Next, we move to the where do we use literals. Now think about it. Where do we actually use these literals? The answer is the literally everywhere in our program we use the literals. When we assign a value to variables, age equal to 25, when we pass the values to function like like print welcome, print welcome, or even inside expressions, total equals to x plus y, like that. Here 25 welcome and 100 and 200 are all literals. So you see literals are like the basic ingredients of our program. Next we move on to the why do we need literals. Now you might be thinking, why do we even use them? Even use them. Literals are used to store a constant data in our code. They make the program clear and easy to read. Imagine a recipe without ingredients, impossible, right? So similarly, a program without literals cannot even exist. Here we move on to the types of literals in Python. Alright, let's explore the different types of literals in Python. Types of literals in Python. All right, let's explore the different types of literals in Python. So pay attention here because this part is very useful in coding interviews too. In your first one is a numerical literals. We have a integers like 10, minus 5, and floating point numbers like 3.14 and like minus 0.99, and the complex numbers also 2 plus 3j. This one is the imaginary part will be there. Example, A equals to 10 and B equals to 3.14 and C equals to 2 plus 3j. Easy, right? These are all the numerical literals. Numeric literals. Next, we move on to the string literals. Coming into string literals are these are enclosed in quotes. The single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Here I can show something. Some like D equals to hello, like E equals to hel- hi, and F equals to multi-line text. Hi, hello, everyone. These are all the string literals. Next one is coming into the Boolean literal. These are very simple. Boolean literals are like a true and false. They are super useful in conditions and loops. Is active equal to true, is logged in equals to false. Next one is the special literals equals to none. The Python also has a special literals called a none. It simply means no value or nothing is assigned like that. Data is equal to none. So if you don't know a value yet, you can use none. Next we coming into the a collection literals. So finally we have a collection literals like a list, tuple, set and dictionary. I gave one example to how is this. Like now I'm taking a numbers equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Next this is the numbers list. Next one is the I'm taking info, like here in this I use a dictionary like course Python. Dictionary is the key value pair. The course is a key, the Python is a value, like that. Next one is level. Beginner is a value. Pretty cool, right? This is the numbers list. This is the info dictionary info. This is the key, course is the key. The Python is the value. Dictionary is the set of key value pairs. The levels is a key and beginners is a value, like that. So, to wrap up, literals are fixed constant values written directly in the code. We use them everywhere in variables, expression, and functions. Python has many types like numeric, strings, boolean, none, and collections, like that. Now, here is a quick challenge for you. Try writing one example for each type of literals in Python and share it in the comments below. I will check and reply to your answer. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you in the next class.